Welcome back. Goa Horticulture Corporation has plans to provide flowers, exotic vegetables and fruits at a lower price. People will be trained in bouquet making. The chairman of Horticulture, Kiran Kandorkar, is keen on the project. The corporation plans to have its shops in the city area. However, the corporation has still not received any response from the entrepreneurs despite advertisement.
Lower prices. The board of directors have decided that we should take up our own shops where we can sell such items. Now for this purpose we are looking out for shops in city areas where we will be selling exotic vegetables, different types of fruits.
So the
rates will be cheaper. We will be also training people to make bouquets so that the private individuals can come and do some business, maybe around our shop, in front of our shop, or maybe inside our shop also.
Long-serving Congress MLA in Santa Cruz, Victoria Fernandez, is gearing up for the next assembly election. Victoria has claimed credit for the lead of BJP in Santa Cruz. As a first step towards the preparations, she along with her son Rodolphe Fernandez will form a group which will work for Santa Cruz.
माझ्या सगळ्या गोंयच्या भयणी कडेन भावां कडेन चड करून माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीच्या हांवें मागलेलें की एक बऱ्या मनशाक निवडून दिवया म्हूण. ते म्हणजे आमचो श्रीपाद नायक. माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन फर्स्ट टायम सांगपाक खूब बरें दिसता. फर्स्ट टायम आमचे उतर मांडून तांणी हांगा ताका निवडून हाडलो म्हणून.
Mommy hasn't quit politics, is very much active with her son, Rodolphe, and is now planning her future strategies for the next assembly election, still 3 years away. A first step, she and her son, Rodolphe Fernandez, will soon form a group for Santa Cruz.
हांगा हांव सगळ्या म्हज्या भाव भयण्यांक गोंयच्या आश्वासन दिता. हांव आनी म्हजो चलो रुडोल्फ फेर्नांडीस आनी आमचे सगळे सांगाती आसा तितले कितेंच आमी वायट घडूंक दिवचे ना. सदांच बरे कामाक आमी फुडाकार घेवन आमी आमचें गोंय माय देश राखतले आनी गोंयकारांक सांबाळटले.
While giving her warm wishes to the BJP, Victoria claimed that they have tirelessly worked to get a good leader elected as the MP.
हांव आमच्या CMाक खतखतीत परबीं दिता. ताणें वावरून दोनी सिटां नॉर्थ सावथ हाडलीं. आतां जे सगळे मंत्री मंडळाचे सगळे मिनिस्टर्स ताजे वावुरपी सपोर्टर्स सगळ्यांनी वावुरले आनी हाडून हात घट केले आमचे आतां प्रायम मिनिस्टर जाल्यार आतां बाब नरेंद्र मोदीचे.
Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Goa women won the title while the men's team could only finish third at the first Senior National Dew Ball Championship at Varpai. Himachal Pradesh emerged championship in the men's competition while Maharashtra were the runners-up. Maharashtra were also the second best team in the women's section with Vidarbha finishing in the third position. Goa's Mozam Khan and Prerna Pal Singh were named best players of the championship. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.